Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Isabel and today we're going to be making these super cute Halloween pennant flags. They are really easy to make and they look amazing on your Halloween baskets or as gifts. You can easily make this in a couple of hours. Let me show you how. So you're going to need your printed flags. These should be printed on cardstock. You can very easily design yours on Canva or you can also get my template. You will also need some food skewers for the base of the flags and some ribbon. And we also need scissors and glue. So you're going to start cutting your flags. If you have a paper trimmer at home, you can use that, otherwise scissors is totally fine. Once you have your flags ready, you're going to take one of the skewers and then you're going to fold the little flap and you're going to apply glue. Then place the skewer inside the flap and then press both sides together for a few seconds to allow for the glue to dry. And when I was making the video, I had actually run out of hot glue, so I used my glue stick instead. But honestly, if you have hot glue, it's much better. And you can mix different designs and different colors, it will look really cute. My template includes 8 different designs and I will leave you the link in the description down below. So your flags are ready, you can use them like this, but honestly they look way cuter if you add some ribbons, so let's do that. So for mine, I just grabbed a bunch of ribbons that I already had and I'm trying to use different colors and different textures, and then it's a matter of just combining them and seeing what looks nice. So for my first flag, I picked this dusty pink frayed ribbon, one with some little stars, and a cream one that has some little dashes, and then I also had this white fluffy yarn. So I'm just trying different things, different combinations, seeing what looks nice. So I ended up going with this combination and now I'm just gonna measure. In my case, I want my ribbons to be more or less the same length as the base of the flag, but you can make them shorter or longer depending on what you like. And then you can attach the ribbons one by one at the base of the skewer, or you can also tie them all together first and then secure them, whichever works the best for you. The best method honestly will depend on how thick your ribbons are. As a general rule, I will place the widest ribbon underneath or tie it on first and then layer the others from widest to the thinnest on top so that each one stays visible. And here's our first flag finished, so let's make another one. So again, first I'm going to try different combinations of ribbons to decide which one I like the most. And then for these ribbons, what worked best was to tie them all together and then insert the skewer inside the knot and then tighten the knot. And I forgot to mention earlier that you should also apply a little bit of glue at the base of the ribbons just to secure them in place. And let me show you one last example where I use this tulip black ribbon as well as the frayed one. They look really cute together. So again, just tie them all together and then apply a little bit of glue at the base. And then this step is optional, but as a last touch, I like adding something on top of the knot just to cover it up. So I got this Halloween confetti from Temu. I think you can also find it on Amazon. It has some really cute designs, and I ended up using the stars, the witch hat, the bat, and the boo. And as you can see here, basically I just glue them on top of the knot. And that's it, our flags are all done. Let me show you the end result. They all look super cute. So if you like this project, please don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to my channel so you will get notified of my next projects. And if you like the Hello Kitty themed baskets that I showed at the beginning of the video, then you definitely want to subscribe because I'm going to be releasing this tutorial very soon, just in time for Halloween. Again, thank you so much for watching and see you for the next one.